Even the most experienced practitioner realize difficult cases can arise with bovine clinical diagnosis. An unusual symptoms or an unfamiliar disease that we are unsure about, leaving us in doubt. However, the farmer will expect the veterinarian to solve the problem with an effective treatment, even if the diagnosis is not clear. While driving between calls, one will ponder the situation, often without finding answer. The question of diagnosis remain, answers are too often lacking. In rural practice, the veterinarian is alone, often facing the difficulty of finding solution to the many problems farmers may present to him. So I created this unique tool to provide you with a brilliant companion, always ready to answer your question, suggesting a diagnosis to secure your activity. With VETAID, there's no more unanswered question. And in order to provide you with the best backup, top clinicians, field experts, and academics have contributed with their experience and knowledge to strengthen and secure the system. Let us now discover the VETAID app together with its 6 entry doors. The first 3 answer clinical questions such as, does this disease present itself? VETAID gives you a list of typical signs for more than 800 clinical forms of disease. How to deal in practice with an unknown or poorly understood disease. A memo sheet gives you the essential facts concerning this disease. Are there any particular risks? How to treat? How to prevent? Let us continue. If there is an unknown or poorly understood symptoms in one of your patients, what does it mean? Where should you focus your research? VETAID lists the disease that exhibit the particular symptom in their clinical picture. Entry 3 does the same job with 2 to 3 symptoms. Then, finally, how do we make the correct diagnosis? Diagnosis assistance is provided by the 3 following entries. Entry 4 is there for diagnosis of difficult cases, rare diseases, when we need an expert answer, without the risk of forgetting anything in your clinical examination. Entry 5 is useful for finding a quick answer. Entry 6 provides VETAID's assessment of your diagnosis. VETAID offers you suggestion, evaluation, comparison in every case. It even has a differential diagnosis tool. VETAID app is highly valued by veterinary students and also by inexperienced practitioners. But all practitioners can benefit from it for their new mission, monitoring emerging and exotic diseases that they know little or nothing about. These emerging diseases that are poorly known to veterinarians are numerous and very diverse. A field trial has shown that with a diagnostic aid like VETAID, the practitioner can suspect exotic diseases that he knows little about. Effective clinical surveillance is then possible in the field because suspected cases are detected and each case can be verified in the laboratory. Without a diagnostic aid, the practitioner cannot suspect these diseases that he doesn't know. Suspected clinical cases are not detected. Surveillance is apparent, but this surveillance is not effective. A choice must be made for the expected quality of monitoring of emerging diseases in your herd. Let's move forward together.